All right, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes. And we check into great theories and concepts of discoveries that you are um, possibly, probably unaware of because they have been suppressed. And these are things that the powers that be don't want you to know about. And this is a feature called Your Blind Side, where I am addressing this toward the Patriot Nation, the um, diggers and anons out there who are on the front lines of this info war, digging up uh, nuggets for all of us so that we um, have something to fight against all the fake news and the hoaxes and the false flags and the psychological operations that are occurring in front of us every day. Now, however, as a result, these people, these diggers, may not know of some of the broader implications, some of the deeper and more uh, all-encompassing psyops and hoaxes that are that have been perpetrated for a much longer time and that are kind of more ambient. They are more in the background, um, and we can fall prey to those things, and we have fallen prey to those things by accepting elements of our worldview, elements of our belief systems and our conditionings and our rituals and our habits that are also um, part of psychological operations or hoaxes or false flags or just false consciousness. Um, and I'm not sure, I have great respect for the people that have done this digging. But at the same time, um, they have been derelict in their duties to be perspicacious and to really dig into things but I would say mainly, because I understand that digging is a full-time type of thing. um, I understand not being aware of these things, but what I don't really understand is accepting um, these parts of your conditioning offhandedly, just to uh, you know, uh, in particular, I refer to Christianity. I refer to uh, mainstream ideas about diet and um, heritage, culture, civilization. A lot of people really are bullish on Western civilization and on crazy ass diets that um, y- you know don't appear to really stand the test of time and don't um, really fit into what on the tree of life you call the fourth sphere: form, function, and I think if you really are trying to figure out diet, you have to look at the human being. What is the human being? A human being, uh, you know, is a conscious being, and that is what separates us from uh, the other primates. Um, whether you believe in evolution or not, I would suggest that um, the Sumerian version is probably the closest, because this is a taking a primate and accelerating evolution through genetic engineering, and done by a more advanced race of people, whoever they are, the Elohim, the Nephilim, is really the hybrid. Um, Nonetheless, uh, I think it's pretty clear that the humans have a primate's body. Now, we may have advanced beyond that in terms of our mental and spiritual capacities, but I think when you're talking about diet, you're talking about our bodies. And just reflect, or, you know, do some research on what it is that a primate eats, because that's probably what you should be eating. Um, and the same thing is true in terms of religion. You know, you've accepted what is in your culture, what was handed down to you, and somehow you haven't scrutinized these things. Even though you're a digger and you've uncovered all this incredible stuff about how everything is a psychological operation, everything that you thought you believed in was, uh, there in order to deceive you. But you have not applied that to some of your core belief systems. And what's worse is that you virtue signal for this stuff when somebody in the chat or somebody calls, or um, your friend, um, you know, touts that religion. Um, that's exactly where it needs to be stopped, where you say, I don't know, that sounds pretty fishy to me. Even if you don't even have the evidence, which there's a ton of evidence that the New Testament of the Bible is not um, on the up and up, and that it is part of a psychological operation written by the Romans. Even if you don't have that evidence, um, the whole story doesn't add up in the first place, and uh, it is replete with red flags, and it is a fishy story. It looks exactly like a psyop. But because we have this emotional investment in it, we give it a free pass. And that is maddening to me, because that is going to be the defeat of this movement. This movement is going to be the first ever to defeat the deep state globalists, and to for humans to gain sovereignty on this planet. Maybe not the first in a hell of a long time. Um, and we're going to flush it down the toilet because attached we are attached to some um, 2,000-year-old psychological operation from the Romans that we haven't examined at all. That's not going to happen. Um, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it, but um, if nobody else is going to talk about it, I'm going to continue to talk about it, and I'm going to figure out a way to get my videos into the hands of the people that need to hear it, because um, we're not, I've been waiting my whole life for this to happen, and it's happening in a way that is different than the way I thought it would, but I'm okay with that. But I am not okay with the um, unexamined belief systems that we are thinking about just moving forward with. Okay, that will be your blind side for today. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and remember to watch your blind side.